Hello guys, this is Kavin back again with yet another video. Alright, this video is all about the best editing softwares in Android. So let's get started. This app is a straightforward, easy app which packs with a ton of features. Even you can do retouching surfaces with it. Let's check it out. So for instance, take this photo. It has a lot of crack on the wall, so let's remove it so that it looks clean and elevates the viewing experience. The next thing we're gonna do is creating a depth in the text effect. So let's see how to do that easily. If you have any doubt in doing this thing, feel free to ask me through Instagram. It also packs with lots of presets in the color grading section. I think you'll love it. Do you like having light leaks and creating a retro style to your photos? Then this app is the only go. Let's see how to do that. They not only have light leaks, they also offer you with themes and even date stamp. That's cool, right? Are you guys interested in playing with the colors in the photo? I think you guys will love this app. It's more like a pro version of color grading your photos. Just tweak a little bit in the toggles, you will end up with a great photo. Are you bored of doing these adjustments? Then just hit the auto enhancer, which makes the photo more vibrant and increases the viewing experience. This app also have lots of presets and you can even download more presets from the internet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to TechPass for more amazing content like this and click the bell icon for instant notification.